Hey everybody, after this I'm going to show you how to take your lighting on your cell phone from this to this. Please consider subscribing by clicking on the link in the description. We really don't want you to miss any of our upcoming videos. So guys, we're going to give you a solution for your cell phone lighting. A lot of us are starting to use our cell phones for a lot of our video recording and even some of our photography. So what I found is they've come out with these great little ring lights that you can clip onto your cell phone. Pretty straightforward and basic. Most everybody that does a lot of portrait work with a regular camera but picks up a ring light to use, and for their digital SLRs, and the fact that they've got them now for the cell phones is absolutely fantastic. As you could tell from my intro, it obviously makes a great deal of difference. You can find a whole bunch of different ones out there now, whether you want something with a rechargeable battery, or something that just has kind of a standard AA, AAA type situation. Real cheap, inexpensive. I've found them anywhere from about $5 up to about 11 or 12. Go ahead and hop on down into the link in the description. You can click on it. I've already set up a search for you, so you can find it on my affiliate with Amazon. And it definitely makes a big difference. The other nice thing about them is not only can you use them on the front side or the back side camera if you're doing a selfie, you can also flip them around and use them if you're using them for photography. So guys, it's a great little hint and suggestion. Take advantage of it. Click on that link in the description, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you very much.